Welcome back to Ben's Life, and today me and Sam
What's up?
are we're going to this like old quarry which has now pretty much been turned into a touristy area. Well, not exactly, but a lot of the villagers and people near come and visit this a lot. It's a really picturesque area, so I thought I'd bring it to YouTube so you guys can see it as well. Do you want to shout out your Instagram?
Oh, yeah. SamFam96, SAMFAM96.
Go give the boy a follow.
Please.
We're going to get some drone footage and stuff like that, so please hit that like button, please subscribe. See you in a bit. At some point, what we're walking on at the moment was a road, because you got lampposts up here. It's got a barrier, and this looks like some sort of road which would have been here. This is where the quarry used to be, down here. It's an old lamppost there. So this is where it used to be, and they've started work up here for something. And we're walking down this side, all the way down here. So it turns out what we're walking around is where this really old almost like ski activity centre was meant to go. It might be happening now, I'm not 100% sure, but there are people doing work here, and basically it's called Snow Oasis, and this has been going on I think since 2008. Like, they've been trying to get permission to do it, and I think now finally it's happened, and they're slowly doing work here. And basically it's going to be a like ski, snowboarding, there's going to be lodges here to sleep in, like activity centre. And it's meant to be like a proper luxury one. That's something you'd sort of think of near London, or like not in the countryside. But yeah, this is what it is, and it's been, have a look. It's meant to be a 350-acre site, and it's expected to create 5,000 jobs in the area. So yeah, it's something which would be good.